Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Life German Way. So today is a Saturday and it's quite hot here. It has been one of the hottest weeks in Germany. And me and Ira are going to swim class. And Ira is showing her dress. Yeah. Are you? We are going to have some fun in the swimming pool. It's really hot, is it? Right?
Papa,
Hmm?
I'm wiping chicken.
Okay. So, talking about the swimming classes, it has been like 5-6 months that Ira is now going to swimming classes, and we got a place right at the beginning of this year. So, actually, the course started at the beginning of this year, although it took me, I think, more than 1 year in the waiting list. So, I had actually enrolled Ira for the swimming classes like more than 1 year ago, and then we were on the waiting list, and then we always used to follow up. So I was following up, and until this year when we got the place. So let's talk about some of the important facts about the swimming school. I mean, the group normally consists of 5 to 6 children, yeah, and you get one class per week. um, I pay around 102 euros. So actually I started with 92 euros, and now they increased the fees to 102 euros per month. So basically you're paying for 4 classes 102 euros, yeah. And then if you want to cancel a class, you need to inform about 24 hours before the class. You can then say, okay, we will not be able to come, and then they basically take a note and then give you like a replacement class. So you can also get a replacement class, yeah. And as said, 5 to 6 children. Of course, sometimes there are only few children, like 3 4. Sometimes it's like a full class. The duration of the training is 1 hour, yeah, so 1 hour per week. And there are different teachers available, of course, but yeah. So we were lucky. We started with one teacher. She was really nice, and she took time with children. And then unfortunately she had to leave in between, and then came another one, with which we had a lot of issues, because yeah, she was a little bit strict, and Ira was not so comfortable with her. And therefore, so we tried for like 2 3 times, and then Ira started crying a lot. Yeah, she was not that comfortable. And then I spoke to the teacher, and then said then I spoke to the school and told them that, okay, we need a replacement. So I need a new so we need someone like the previous teacher, who is caring and kind, and who takes time with children, who is not that, yeah, strict or pushy. And then finally we got another teacher now, and we had a break of about 1 month in the middle, in between. And now we basically have a new teacher since last 3 weeks, and now Ira is again comfortable. She is enjoying a lot again. And touch wood, let's see how this goes, yeah. So guys, we have reached the swim school. Are you कराई क्यों कर रही हो? डर लग रहा है? डरते नहीं है, एंजॉय करते हैं. ओके, चले अंदर, या ओके, लेट्स go inside. Yeah, this is the parents area where everyone is sitting, and this is the entry. So here we have the shower area. You can see the children are basically taking a shower, and there is the pool. They are then going directly in the pool. Yeah. So this is the changing area, and every child, you can see here there are a lot of compartments, so you can store your stuff. There is also like a changing area here. There are some dryers. area that I was sitting in. Behind you can see the children are swimming and the parents can see while they're swimming. And Ira's swimming is now finished, so I'm gonna now take her and get her washed, and then we're gonna leave. Yeah. So guys, we just came out of the swimming class, and Ira did very good swimming today. I'm so proud of you. Are you?
Papa,
आपने बहुत अच्छी swimming करी है.
I put it in Rallyaguma.
Ira wants to have a Radha Gumi. अब एस्टमाल, आपको स्विमिंग करके कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
इधर देख के बताओ कैसा
अच्छा
लगा? अच्छा लगा. और आयु ने कितनी अच्छी स्विमिंग की है ना आज. आयु ने मैट पे स्विमिंग की, ट्यूब से स्विमिंग की, है ना, फ्रंट स्विमिंग करी, बैकवर्ड स्विमिंग की. कितनी अच्छी स्विमिंग की आयु
पानी
आपकी.
के अंदर
एंड आयरा's टीचर इज आल्सो वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू.
और मैं पानी के अंदर डूब गई थी.
पानी के अंदर. एंड आयरा आल्सो डिड, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पानी के अंदर आपने टाउखन टाउखन की माँ ना. Hey guys, so that was it for today. Before I say goodbye, I just want to conclude by saying that the swimming learning experience is really nice here, as you can see. So the children are exposed to a lot of different activities. They are taught in a way that they are made to play some games, yeah, and then they are learning step by step. Of course, it takes time, but yeah, that's how it is. And another important thing is that they take care of the hygiene. The water, it's also temperature controlled. It's not that hot or warm. And there is also, as you might have seen in my, so Ira is showing her tongue. So as you might have seen, there's also like a special area or a separate area for the parents, and it's not that they are completely blind. So there is a glass wall, and everyone can see through how the children are learning, how they are performing, how they are doing in this swimming course. So I hope you like this video, and if you watched it till the end, please do consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and we will see you next time. Till then, Ira's like bye. Ciao. Bye.